Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate a new gift card after receiving it in the mail, follow these step-by-step instructions to make it ready for use. Step 1. Carefully remove the gift card from its packaging and check for any included activation instructions. Step 2. Locate the activation website address or phone number printed on the gift card itself or on the accompanying materials. Step 3. Visit the activation website using a computer or mobile device, or call the activation phone number if that's the preferred method. Step 4. Enter the gift card number found on the front or back of the card into the required field. Step 5. Provide the security code or CVV, typically located on the back of the card near the signature strip. Step 6. Fill in any required personal information such as your name, address, and contact details. Step 7. Review the entered information for accuracy and click the Activate button to process your request. Step 8. Wait for confirmation that your gift card has been successfully activated. The card is now ready to use for purchases at participating retailers or online stores. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.